Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Ayo. Let's make this delicious banana bread. To make this recipe, I'll be making use of very ripe banana and I'll be using 3 bananas. Why ripe bananas? It helps you to get the best out of the taste. It helps you to get your banana mashed easily and as soft as possible. I'll be using a food masher to mash the banana and ensure that all lumps are out and is as soft as possible. And then I'll be adding my melted butter. I've slightly melted the butter in a microwave to ensure that I can easily turn it into the banana. And then the next I'll be adding will be some sugar. The sugar is very optional because the banana itself, once it's ripe, is naturally sweet. I'll then incorporate this as much as possible before adding my eggs. To this recipe, I'll be using 2 eggs and then I'll stir it thoroughly, just to ensure that all wet ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. While I'm turning, the next thing I'll do is to add some of my dry ingredients, which are the baking flour to allow it to rise properly. I'll also be adding a little bit of milk, and then the next thing would be to add my baking flour. I have about 3 cups of flour to this recipe. If you feel that your batter is too runny or is too loose, you can add a little bit more of flour to this recipe and you combine thoroughly. You don't need to combine so much like you would do for the normal vanilla flour. This is banana bread and it genuinely does not need so much effort to combine together. I've just changed to my spatula just to ensure that it's thoroughly and well combined and I'm able to scoop out all the edges of the bowl I'm using to mix. The next thing I will do will be to add the mixture into my baking tray. I'll be making use of the air fryer to get this done at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. One thing I will do to elevate my banana bread is adding some almond and white chocolate chips. And this is to give it that extra flavor, that crunchiness. And for the sweet tooth, you have your white chocolate chips. And once this is done, I'm going to put this into the air fryer and allow it to cook. You would see I'm just hitting it against the worktop, and this is so that the batter settles properly. And that is the white chocolate chips I'm adding and some almonds as well. Once this is done in the air fryer, your banana bread is ready to be consumed or to be brought out from the air fryer after baking at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can have this as a daily regular meal. You can have it for your children's lunchbox meal. You can have it as a breakfast with your tea or however you desire to eat it. You can even have it on its own. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until we see you next time.